Investing in silver will be a wild ride. That much is guaranteed. But can and will this wild ride work out to your favor? I have two charts I want to show you, and we'll come back to that one in just a minute, that to me indicates it will work out to your favor. But first, let's talk about this wild ride that we're on with the silver price. Have you noticed price movements $1 and $2 per day? Guys, that's actually a good thing. Hey, look, I hate to break it to you, but if you're going to invest in silver, it will be absolutely volatile. The volatility to the upside will be matched by volatility to the downside. But what's the one big key that we need to remember? And that is that upward volatility and downward volatility are just fine as long as the long-term trend is up in a bull market. And I believe that that's what we're in right now. Now, next, I want to share with you two diagrams, two charts that to me make it crystal clear above and beyond everything else that the silver price will be heading higher. The secret why you, as a silver investor, have many reasons to be optimistic embedded in this diagram. But first, I want to say thank you to you for being here. There is no Ron's Basement without you. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you want a piece of content every single day about silver, gold, precious metal, mining, stock investing, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Without you, there is no Ron's Basement. And without the support of our sponsors like Pimbex, there's no Ron's Basement either. If you're shopping online for gold, silver, or platinum, do yourself a favor and check out Pimbex. They can also help with IRA conversions into silver and gold. Compare what they can do for you in that arena as well. Let's get back to this chart, which to me is probably one of the most exciting components to the silver price right now. If you look at silver in the middle, right, silver's half purple and half pink. Half purple is the monetary component of silver. It's related to gold. It's gold's half brother. If you look at the pink to the left, it's the industrial component of silver. It's the industrial part of silver related to copper. But what gets crazy is when you consider that both of silver's half brothers, both gold and copper, have recently been at all-time highs. With copper, we even had mainstream media last week talking about a squeeze in that market. With gold, we know that central banks are buying and accumulating gold like no other time in history. So both of silver's half siblings are at all-time highs, while silver still has a lot of catching up to do. Oh, and there's one more bonus feature at the bottom there underlined in red. The fundamentals for silver beat both copper and gold. And the fundamental supply-demand dynamic in the silver market, you know, that is like nothing else in the world. The reason why top analysts are calling silver the most undervalued asset in the world. We aren't going to go any deeper into that, but I do have one more chart to show you, which also points to the potential for skyrocketing silver prices. Before we go there, let's say thank you to channel sponsor First Mining Gold. If you want to learn more about First Mining Gold, go to firstmininggold.com, and our friends at Fortuna Silver Gold Mining Company, operations in Latin America and West Africa. You can learn more about them at fortunasilver.com. And hold on to your shorts, because if you thought silver's relationship to gold and copper was exciting, when you look at the long-term chart in silver, you see one of the longest, most powerful cup and handle formations that we've ever seen, going all the way back to 1980 when silver hit $50 per ounce, and then again hitting $50 per ounce in 2011. That formed the cup. The handle that's been forming since 2011 points towards an opportunity for silver to go to $100 per ounce and beyond. But what's most exciting about this is embedded within that handle. See the little box drawn there around 2024? We recently had a breakout from a wedge pattern in silver. So there's a wedge pattern that was embedded in the handle, and there's also point number 2, a head and shoulders pattern embedded within the handle as well. So within one of the most powerful long-term chart patterns, possibly in the history of the world, there's 2 other very bullish technical analysis patterns that are emerging. The wedge pattern having already broke out, and the head and shoulders pattern possibly now breaking out as well, all pointing towards the potential for skyrocketing silver prices. Don't make any financial decisions or any types of decisions based on anything I'm saying. But when I feel buffeted around by the volatility within the silver market, I like to remember that we're in a bull market for silver now. There's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, but the long-term trend points to the upside. And when I think about silver's relationship to gold and copper and how both those metals are at all-time highs, and silver's fundamentals, in my opinion, are even better than copper or gold, I feel pretty darn good. And then when I look at that 50-year chart cup and handle pattern in silver and realize that within the handle there are embedded 2 more very bullish signals, well, heck, I'm feeling pretty good about silver. I hope you are too. I hope you enjoyed your time with me here in the basement. I want you to come back, and until next time, you be well.